Did you hear the earthquake? Did you hear it?
Well, it wasn't, okay? What it was is last night I had a curry pie and it has to come out, right? And I reckon if I went to the toilet, it would register. Yeah? Like and subscribe and get a pie and register your own earthquake. 4.7.